Today I will show you how to completely clear your computer from your data, delete your Microsoft account, and also show you a way to get a new Windows 11 without a Microsoft account, but only with a local account. This will help you safely sell or donate your computer or laptop to someone else. This method will also help you if you forgot your password and none of the other password reset methods you have already tried help, and now you do not know what else to do to gain access to your computer or laptop. Okay, case number 1. If you forgot your password, then you can skip the first step and go straight to the second step. Press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard and reboot the computer. The computer rebooted and entered the system recovery menu. Case number 2, if you forgot your password. Press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard, then press here and reboot the computer. The computer rebooted and entered the system recovery menu. Click Troubleshoot. In this window, click Reset this PC. To get rid of the freezing of the operating system and some problems, you can click Keep My Files, and after the end of the process, your personal files will remain on your computer. To completely delete all data, click here. To reinstall Windows 11, you can use files from the cloud, but you should be aware that this will require the internet and about 4 GB of data will be used. A local reinstall uses files that are located on your computer. I choose local download. If you are keeping the computer for yourself, then choose only the disk with Windows, but if you are selling your computer and need to permanently delete all your data, then click here. If you are planning to give away or sell your computer, click here, and after that even file recovery software will not be able to recover your personal files. In this window we see the last warning of the program about irreversible changes in your computer, and if you are not ready to go further, and want to change something, then click Cancel. To start the process, click Reset. And the reinstallation of Windows 11 began. You don't have to do anything for a while, the computer will restart several times. You can relax and have a cup of tea or coffee. Don't turn off your computer. And so, the reinstallation of Windows 11 was successful, and now we have to set up the computer for personal use. If you are planning to sell your computer, I recommend continuing the installation of Windows 11 without a Microsoft account and logging into a local account during the process. To do this, you need to remove the internet cable from the computer. Now you need to select a region. Yes. Select a keyboard layout. Yes. Skip. If any of you did not disconnect the internet, you can independently continue the installation of Windows 11 in the usual way, and as a result you will get a Microsoft account. But if you want to log into Windows 11 with a local account, then I continue this video for you. Press the Shift and F10 keys on your keyboard at the same time. A command prompt will open. To activate the command entry, use the left mouse button to move the window with the command prompt a little to the side and enter this command. Press Enter, and the computer will reboot, after which the final stage of the Windows 11 installation will resume. Now you need to select a region again. Yes. Select a keyboard layout. Yes. Skip. In this window, click I don't have the internet. To continue, click here. If you are doing this with a computer for yourself, then you can enter your name, but if you want to sell your computer, then I recommend any other account name. Next. Here you need to enter a password, but if you leave this field blank, then Windows will load bypassing the lock screen. Next. I accept all these settings. Next. There is very little time left until the process is complete, and the new Windows 11 welcomes us. The desktop has loaded, and since I turned off the internet, we see empty spaces on the screen instead of application icons. First, I will adjust the screen resolution and make it a little smaller. As we can see, the icon on the taskbar shows that there is no internet connection on the computer, and now I can connect the cable. Yes, the internet connection is established, and I click on the Start button. All the icons appeared, and now I open Settings. In this window, I open the Accounts window. Then I will open the tab, Your Info. Here we see that my computer is under the control of a local account. If you need to get a Microsoft account, click here, and then follow the system recommendations. Let's see how this method affected the activation of the new Windows 11. For this I click System, then open the tab, Activation. And here we see that the new Windows 11 is installed on my computer, and it was automatically activated by my digital license. I hope that you learned something new and useful for yourself today. Thank you very much for your attention to my video. Have a nice day everyone.